Do you want to know 15 ways to make money while you sleep? Well, that is what we're going to talk about today. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. Now, I don't know about you, but there is nothing better than waking up to sales notifications in your phone, in your inbox, when you're checking your email in the morning, and just having money come in when you're not actively pursuing it. And so here's a list. I'm going to go through it quick. 15 ways, you might get a few extra, 2 ways to make money while you sleep. Let's dive right in. Number 1, create an app. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of different apps on my phone, and there's a lot of different software out there where you can create apps where people subscribe for a couple bucks. 2, invest. It may seem like an obvious option, but that is killer when it comes to gradually growing your money. If you want to check out this video on money beliefs that are keeping you poor. Absolutely believe when you change your money mindset, everything starts to change in your life. Number 3, network marketing. Now, there are some pros and cons to the industry, but I absolutely love it from a sense of you can make product sales and then have a recurring income from it and also grow a team if that's your thing. Check out these videos that are popping up on the screen if you want to work with me in network marketing. Number 4, you could write and sell an ebook. Writing a book has never been easier these days. Now, granted, you still have to sit down and write every day, but once it's out there, that's an easy way to start generating some income consistently. Number 5, dropship. Number 6, if you have rental properties. I know ladies that I work with in my membership, the Parisi Pack. If you don't know much about it, check out this video and head to stephanieparisi.com and you can learn more that have rental properties that are bringing in income for them. I'm sure you know someone doing this as well. Number 7, affiliate marketing. I'm a huge believer in this industry. In fact, if you go to the description of this video, you can see I'm an affiliate for a bunch of different things. My biggest tip to you when it comes to affiliate marketing is to put your name behind something that you actually believe in, be it a product or a service. I'm an affiliate for this software called Stories Prospector, where it auto replies to the votes on your stories polls. It goes great with my niche when it comes to helping people sell in Facebook stories, of which check out these videos that are popping up on the screen if you want to learn more about how to sell in your Facebook stories. I'm also an affiliate for an app called Tapestry. Check out these videos that are popping up on the screen to hear more about that opportunity. Number 8, you could sell stock photos. Number 9, you can rent your possessions. You could even rent your pool. Here's mine if you want to see it. And then you could also rent your backyard as a dog park. If you think I'm crazy, Google it. It exists. It's actually pretty cool. Number 10, run a paid subscription service or sell a paid product that is a subscription. For example, I'm the leader of the Parisi Pack. It's a marketing membership for entrepreneurs where I'm teaching people how to automate, how to sell smarter on social media, how to be on top of their time and actually run their DMO smartly and make more money online. If you want to learn more about the pack, go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the pack membership. Number 11, a vending machine. Maybe it sounds old school, but those things are stocked and I still use them occasionally, especially with having little kids who love snacks. Number 12, a laundromat. Number 13, YouTube. I make thousands of dollars on YouTube and I'm not even a big YouTuber. You can see my channel here. I'm just right around the 5K mark of subscribers. But because I'm able to run ads and then people are finding me on this platform all day long for my other business opportunities, it's an amazing way to make money while you sleep. Number 14, create your own product. You can see here, I sell Canva website templates and I make sales from these videos frequently just for people who are looking for a simple website template. Number 15, take it a step further and you can actually buy and sell websites. Number 16, peer-to-peer lending. Number 17, create an online course. For example, I have a course that's called The Secrets of Social Selling. In the course, I go over 9 secrets of how to use social media to have people find you every single day and be in your inbox asking to buy from you. If you need help bringing any of these ideas to life, go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the pack membership. Book a strategy call with me. I'd love to help you out in your business when it comes to growing your income and going, say, from a couple $1,000s a month to $20K a month. For example, you can see my video on that here of how I did that this last year. Before you hop off my channel, check out either of these videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business, and I'll be back next week with another new video.